Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Mate Xs 2 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. And now we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the second icon from the right. Now we have to tap on this profile picture and we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app, so you can take a photo of someone who's right in front of you, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I do not have any kind of photo saved. So let me quickly take a photo. I will just try to, I don't know, take a photo of maybe this. Alright, it's quite nice. And then tap on this tick icon. And now in this step we can zoom in or out the photo. We can also change the position of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So tap on the tick icon if you're ready, if you're happy with your choice, and then tap on the tick icon again to confirm everything. And as you can see here we've got our photo applied. Of course you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.